Before antibiotics, a simple cut could kill you. Today, those same life-saving drugs are slowly losing their power. Antibiotics are one of the greatest medical discoveries in human history. They turn deadly infections into treatable conditions. But now, doctors around the world are warning of a serious problem. By the end of this video, you'll understand how antibiotics transform medicine and why their future is at risk. In the early 1900s, infections were a leading cause of death. Pneumonia, wound infections, even sore throats could become fatal. Surgeries were dangerous, childbirth was risky. Even small injuries carried deadly consequences. Doctors had few options. They could clean wounds, isolate patients, and hope the body survived. Everything changed when antibiotics were discovered. For the first time, medicine could directly kill harmful bacteria inside the body. Diseases that once killed millions became treatable in days. Life expectancy increased. Modern surgery became possible. Antibiotics became a cornerstone of healthcare. But success brought a hidden problem. And this is where the story takes a turn. Antibiotics don't make you stronger. They attack bacteria directly. Some break bacterial cell walls. Others stop bacteria from multiplying. But antibiotics cannot kill viruses. They do nothing against colds, flu, or most sore throats. This misunderstanding is at the heart of today's crisis. For decades, antibiotics were overused, prescribed for viral infections, stopped early when symptoms improved, used without medical guidance. Each misuse gave bacteria a chance to adapt, and bacteria learn fast. Here's the alarming truth. Some bacteria have now become resistant to multiple antibiotics. Infections that were once easy to treat are becoming dangerous again. Doctors are seeing patients who don't respond to standard treatments. This isn't a future problem. It's happening now. Antibiotic resistance doesn't just affect hospitals. It threatens routine surgeries, cancer treatments, even simple medical procedures. Without effective antibiotics, modern medicine cannot function safely. Antibiotics once changed the world. Now, how we use them will decide their future. The next time you're prescribed one, remember this: using antibiotics correctly protects not just you, but everyone.